You right there, ladies and gents, how's it going? The trouble with custom bikes is that they're never really ever finished. So stick with me and we're going to transform this into something a bit more suitable for the track days that I give it. It's going to be fun. It's going to look a bit different. Can't wait.
Gonna keep that bike rubber side down.
that's it for now. I hope you've enjoyed this little lockdown visual refresh I'm giving my V7. I'm trying to make it a little bit more track focused because it's a lot of fun on track, and all I want to do is ride this on track day at the moment, but I can't. So I'm making it more appropriate to be able to do so. So these clip-ons, they're not the lowest, they're not the most extreme of all, but they will do the job. They will do the job, give me a little bit better riding position for going a bit quicker. It's not all I'm doing to it. There's some other bits coming, but they're taking a little bit longer to get sent to me. Some of them come from Italy, which obviously, as you can imagine, that's causing some problems. But yeah, they're coming, and I'll update you on those as and when they arrive. And there'll be a little bit more spannering to go with them as well. So it's quite good, this lockdown. It's given me some time to do some things that I've wanted to do. But anyway, this is my little V7. Some of you may have seen it before, some of you may not. If you like the Moto Guzzi brand, if you like the V7s, and if you like what I've done to this bike here, then don't forget to give it a little thumbs up. And if you don't like this sort of stuff, you can always give it a little thumbs down. That's all cool, I don't mind. But if you haven't done so already, please click that subscribe button. It'd be awesome to have you come back for some more, and it'd be really cool if you followed the progress with this little bike, because yeah, things are changing. Doesn't hurt to have a mix around every now and again, and we've got to make the most of this lockdown because I'm going stir crazy, and I'm sure you all are too. But anyway, once you're able to, do ride safe, and take care and look after your family and your friends and all that sort of stuff. But yeah, don't forget to drop in a comment. Anyway, I'd love to hear what you think. Oh gosh, I'm old. I'm really, really old, and not getting any exercise is not making life much easier for me. Yes, take care.
Keep that bike rubber side down. Hey, no, you gotta keep that bike rubber side down.